May it please your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 31, lordship.
31.
31, lordship.
Yes.
I have been instructed to withdraw the case, lord.
Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that he is under instructions not to press the present writ in the present form. Accordingly, this writ petition is closed in its present form. Yes.
May I please, Lordship, I would like to mention item number 8 with the concern of the other side.
8.
8.
Yes.
And for respondent number 2, Lordship, my senior Mr. D. Kalita is not well. Lordship, kindly take up, fix the matter after 2 weeks.
On the request made by the learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2, comma, with the consent of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter again on 11th of May, 2026.
Obliged.
May I please, your
Yes.
lordship? With the consent, the other side, I will consent item number 38, your lordship.
38.
Yes, lord. We have some difficulties today, your lord. Leading counsel, Mr. T.J. Montal, lordship.
You are appearing for?
To petitioner, your lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that, submitted with the consent of the counsel for the respondents
Please, your lordship.
to
Yes.
have the matter listed.
The next week.
Can it be on 5th of May, my lord?
5th of May?
Lordship.
On the 5th of May. Accordingly, list this matter on the 5th of May. Yes.
Lordship.
May
Obliged.
please, Lordship. Lordship, with the consent of other respondent advocate, I beg to mention item 7 for adjournment to the Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner with the consent of the learned counsel for the respondent has freed the matter to be listed again on
After 3 weeks,
3 weeks. 18th? 18th of May,
Lordship.
2026. List accordingly. Yes,
May I please, Lord, I beg to mention item number 24, Lordship.
20?
24, Lordship.
24.
Engaged counsel, a telephonic inquiry, he unable to appear, Lordship.
At the request of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter again on.
Interim may be continued, Lordship.
Huh?
Interim may be continued, Lordship.
Maybe on May, 12th of May.
On the 12th of May, learned APP has submitted that the CD is awaited. List this matter again on the 12th of May. Interim order passed earlier continues.
Obliged.
Lordship, item number 37, kindly allow me to go through the records
Okay,
of this Lordship. May I please, your lord?
yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention a bail matter. It was fixed on 7th of April before your Lordship. Kindly fix the matter on 22, Lordship.
It is not a decided matter. I had only given an interim, some interim order having it listed someday. You have to mention it before the senior bench. Did I reject that or bail earlier?
Yes, sir.
Is it tied up with me? So to tied up with me. Okay. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22.
22.
In this case, lordship,
CD
is not there.
Mr. So-and-so appears for the petitioner. Learned APP submits that the CD is awaited. List the matter again on
14th May.
14th of May. Interim order continues.
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 46, 46.
6.
The
Yes.
CD has not been received, your lordship.
Mr. So-and-so appear, your name
And R. Sharma, lordship, on behalf of the petitioner.
appears for the petitioner. Learned APP has submitted that the CD is awaited. List this matter again on
Lordship, let it be on Friday, lordship. I've been behind bars for 44 days. It's San Marie PS, it's nearby.
yes
My lord. Okay, my lord.
on
Friday,
Friday,
24th.
24th of May.
Obliged.
Lordship, item 7,
24th of April.
April.
Lordship.
Sorry.
Lordship, item 7, that is interim, can continue.
Item number 7, I think it was mentioned. Interim orders would continue. Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship is hearing the matters related to boiler system engineer in IOCL tomorrow, your lordship. Hearing item number 46 to 52.
That series, yes.
Lordship. Lordship, there is a similar matter of ours which
Huh.
is not tagged along.
Huh.
Therefore, I kindly pray for the same to be listed tomorrow along with the matter. It can be heard together, your lordship.
I think again it has to be mentioned before the writ court.
Lordship, however,
That matter has to be mentioned before the writ court, saying that similar matters are listed and then it comes along with these matters.
Lordship.
Not
I was of the understanding
Nah.
that if I mentioned
It has to be mentioned before the appropriate court. Mention it there if it comes or if it. Otherwise, make a mention tomorrow, we'll see.
Lordship,
We'll call for the records.
Lordship.
May please, my
Yes.
lord. Item number 12, my lord.
Hmm.
I am seeking some accommodation, my lord. I have taken the consent of the petitioner side also. My lord, can I pray for Friday, my lord?
For the petitioner side, you are.
I am for the informant, my lord.
I am.
Pokso case.
Learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 in this petition has sought for an accommodation with the consent of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Accordingly, list this matter again
Friday, my lord. Can you?
on 24th of April 2026.
God bless.
Yes,
May it please,
God
Your
bless.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. My senior could not be present due to the ongoing flood situations. May the matter be adjourned for
at the request of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, list this matter again on when do you want it?
24th of April.
24th of April. If inform the other side. Have you
We will.
informed the other side?
Yes, my senior has.
Okay. Yes.
Item number 39, kindly pass over the matter. 39.
39.
Yeah.
At the request of the learned counsel appearing for the appellant.
Appellant.
For the appellant.
Appellant.
List this matter again on.
And
It's for hearing. We'll have it on a hearing day.
hearing.
28th of April. Tuesday. Huh? 28th of April, Tuesday.
May, Lordship, May.
Some man is behind bars. No. Okay, May get you.
May.
5th of May.
Must.
Yes, Mr. Lordship.
Ah.
I beg to mention item number 45 on behalf of Mr. B. Chaudhary. May this matter be adjourned for the day due to his personal difficulties. He cannot attend the court today.
Your name?
A day.
Miss Ade appears for Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned APP submits that the CD is awaited.
CD notice, yes.
CD is awaited. List the matter again on
My lord, on 7th of May,
7th of
next week. 30th of April. my lord.
30 April. Yes.
Thank you so much. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9.
9.
We have taken the consent from the other side. She's present. Mr. Karaju is not present today, so may kindly be,
When do you want it?
should it may kindly be adjourned for the day.
With the on the joint payment councils appearing for the party, list this matter again on May 1st week of April.
Day.
4th of May. 4th of May.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15,
1-5.
15
Ah,
for adjournment, Lordship. CD not.
at the request of the learned counsel
CD
for
notice,
the-
vision interim.
CD not receipt.
CD not.
Your name?
M. Rahman.
At the Mr. M. Rahman appears for the petitioner. Learned APP has submitted that the CD is awaited. Accordingly, list this matter again on
5th of May, my lord.
5th of
Another matter, 5th on 22.
similar matter.
Similar matter. PA number 898 of the 20.
Okay. List this matter, don't say 5th of May. Learned APP has submitted that the CD is awaited. List this matter again on 22nd of April along with BA number.
898 of the 26.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Lordship. CD notice, Lordship. I'm on interim.
Your name is?
A Brahma, Lordship.
Mr. A. Brahma, learned counsel for the petitioner appears. The learned APP has submitted that the CD is awaited. List the matter again on
February 7th of May, my lord.
7th of May. Are you on interim?
Yes, Lordship. I'm on.
The interim order passed earlier, continuing.
Much of it.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. My sincere apologies, Lordship. I'm praying for listening of an urgent criminal petition, Lordship. The senior bench, Lordship, they not considering any pair for the criminal petition unless it's a bail petition, Lordship. And the matter is fixed on day after tomorrow, Lordship. Therefore, I'm praying before Lordship to this matter.
When the senior bench is ejected,
No.
would I be
Senior bench is not considering any pay unless it's a bail matter.
So when they have decided not to do it,
There is an urgency day after tomorrow.
you can make a request to the registry.
That is the only.
We are not empowered to allow mentions.
Yes.
We are not authorized for the roster to allow mentions.
There's a lot of taking criminal petitions. Anyways.
May I please, Your
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34.
34. Yes.
Conducting counsel is unable to come due to waterlogging, Lordship. There is interim order, Lordship.
For the request of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter again on
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
weeks. Do you have data date? 7th of May. Hold on, remaining manner. No, receive for very soon. No. Oh, for the one. Yes.
Kindly see page 30, my 30.
30.
30.
Which one?
Para 4, my. The medical reports of the minor victim while was collected, and as per the medical reports, the victim has no any external injuries. And blood reports are negative. So, my lord, doctor saying there was no rape, my lord. Maybe it was suspected, it may be attempt of rape. And I am in custody since 10 months, 1 day.
No, POCSO without notice.
My lord,
These are things.
you see, my doctor saying that there is nothing
Sir.
against me regarding any penalty.
An indication to a child is enough. Is it not?
Fine. Short date.
Issue notice to the respondent number 2. Now heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard the learned APP. Issue notice to the respondent number 2 as per the prevalent notification. Call for the case diary list again on.
TCR, my lord.
Okay, call for the scan copy of the trial court records.
Short date, maybe.
Short
List
date,
again on.
5th of May, my lord.
Huh?
5th of May, my lord.
5th of May?
Notice has to be served. 2 weeks is required.
Sri Bhumi. 5th of May?
My.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Targeted matter, she is there also. So notice may go manner to the respondent
TCR and notice.
and TCR manner.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard the learned APP. Actually, you have to give that part, huh? This is an application under so-and-so. From the page 1, you have to take down, huh? In every case. Huh?
Wrong.
Issue notice to the respondent number 2 on as per the prevalent notification. Call for the scan copy of the TCR list again on 5th of May 2026. Huh?
Submitted, my lord.
In item 9, you have taken on item 9, na? It was mentioned in the morning. Interim order continues. Huh?
Item 3.
Yes, sir.
My lord, charge sheet submitted, my lord. My lord, charge against me, my lord, is not so serious, my lord. My lord, page 36. Charges, my lord, frame against me. On 5 heading, my lord, this section 74 BNSS. That is, my lord, assault. 12 page, and my lord, section 76. That is assault to women 79. All this section, my lord, in one section, my lord, section 76, it is 3 years up to 7 years. So, my lord, if we apply, my lord, the guideline, my lord, the direction of the Ernest Kumar, earlier it should have been granted bail, my lord. Because charges against me, my lord, page 36. Although, my lord, POCSO is there, serious against other 2 male accused, I am a female person, my lord. Against me, my lord, allegation that I assaulted her. And some boy took photography and I shared. These are 2 allegations against me, my lord. And my lord, 136 day, my lord, in jail custody, my lord.
Where is the earlier order that we had passed?
Earlier order, yes. Earlier order, my lord.
Why did we reject it?
Rejected, my lord, page 17. Page 17.
Page
The
19.
first order by trial court.
No, here rejection.
First trial court, my lord. So many sections added, my lord. All the sections are not, my lord, applicable in my case. And my lord, serious occurrence took place on 2nd of December. I, my lord, went there on 3rd of December. And my lord, 2 male and 2 child, my lord, went on 2nd of December. And they committed the crime, my lord. I appear on 3rd of December when I come to, because one of the accused is, my lord, friend of this petitioner. And so, my lord, this petitioner press out, my lord, being friend, my lord, and he escaped, my lord. This his friend escaped, my lord, and the allegation that my lord assault is there.
What is the allegation against you in the FIR?
The FIR, my lord, the allegations are there.
Against you?
Against me, my lord.
Against you, what is the
assault? Allegation of fact. My lord, already charged frame, my lord.
What I'm asking is, Mr. Chauhan, please assist us on that line.
Yes.
In the FIR, what is the allegation against you? What have you done?
13. Serial number 6. Other allegation not against me. Only serial number 6. Page 13. Page 6 is.
Yes, sir. If we read 6,
yes,
does not appear to be a case of a sexual assault. It is a case of an assault.
Yes.
Huh?
Being lady, my lord, notice not recorded, otherwise also. And
allegations of POCSO not against her.
not again.
Consider it. Heard Mr. S. Chauhan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard the
Considering the length of detention. Man.
Length of.
This is a bail petition under section 483 of the BNSS, praying for grant of bail to the petitioner in connection with in connection with, now it has become what? In connection with special POCSO case number 2 of 2026 pending in the court of the special judge Udalguri. Stuff. The FIR, which was lodged on 5th of December 2025, reflects that the petitioner had confronted some minor children and had assaulted them publicly. Some videos of the physical assault was also circulated. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the charges have been framed. Where is the charge, that framing of charge, sir?
Page 36.
36.
Page 36 is
Charges have been framed where none of the provisions of the POCSO Act have been attracted.
Section 12 of POCSO.
Sorry, where only the only provision of law under the POCSO Act to be attracted against the petitioner is of section 12, full stop. It, however, appears that this court has Mr. Chauhan has submitted that the petitioner has completed how many days in custody?
Well, at 136 days.
136 days in custody. And since the charges have been framed, the petitioner undertakes to abide by any and all conditions that may be imposed upon her while granting her bail. And she also undertakes to participate in the trial proceedings as and when required, full stop. The learned APP has submitted that the bail may not be granted at this stage, since the learned trial court has recorded an apprehension that the petitioner, no, that the release of the petitioner on bail at this time may cause prejudice or harm to the body, mind, and reputation of the victim girls. Full stop. Having heard the learned counsel for the fetus, using the materials on record, this and the length of detention, and further that the accused is a lady aged 23 years with an allegation of only assault against the also of assault. This court is inclined to grant bail at this stage to the accused on the following terms and conditions. That the accused on the following terms and conditions, comma, subject to her punishing a bail bond of rupees 25,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the learned special judge Okso Dalguri. First of the petition conditions में आप दे दीजिएगा. One of the conditions will be that the petitioner shall not in any manner try to contact the minor victim girls. That will be one of the conditions. The rest of the conditions I'll give you this one POCSO condition. With all the POCSO conditions, your nothing will be disposed of.
And for
Yes, madam.
So in this case, my lord, already charge has been submitted. Honorable court, my lord, 2 times are rejected. That is the 3rd petition, my lord. Already this petitioner is 196 days. He is completed behind the bar, my lord. And 2 witnesses are already examined, my lord. And both are witnesses are stated in the trial court that he is present in the place of occurrence after sees the materials, my lord. He is not involved in this allegation, my lord. And accordingly, and police seized the material and 194 cough syrup bottle.
Any progress in the trial court?
Trial court, my lord.
Any progress?
Already 2 witnesses
Two
are
witnesses
examined.
Let the-
Both witnesses are stated in trial court that the present petitioner is not involved in this allegation, my lord.
Have you given that statement here? No. We'll have to call for the trial court.
Yes,
But Ms. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner also heard the APP.
On 29th for
And for the
29th
updated trial course records
Next day.
of
29th court next day, my lord, trial court, my lord.
Then my lord, maybe on 5th of May.
on the
Not
5th of
May, my lord, 30 April, my lord.
No, 30 immediately. it
See,
will-
29 there is going to be a another witness.
Another
How can we
witness,
have it on 30, huh?
30, my lord.
30 it will not, my lord.
30.
Registry has to take print out, my lord. Otherwise, my lord. So-
Already 2 witnesses are stated on.
Yes.
So many days and he is innocent, my lord.
4th of May.
4th of May. 29th, the statement will be recorded, somebody's evidence will be taken. 30th, they will prepare the file. 1st of May is a holiday. 2nd, I am not coming to the court. 3rd is a Sunday. 4th. Yes, madam? 4th?
Oh.
List again on the 4th of May, along with this scanned copy of the TCR.
May please, Lord.
Yes, sir.
That is 482 application, my lord, are rejected by your lordship, my lord. But what happened, my lord? One day, Suraj Borman was arrested, my lord, with some, my lord, suspected ganja in her scooty, my lord. The police somehow managed to, my lord, confess my name that he has been doing such things, my lord, on behalf of this present applicant, my lord.
Something recovered from your home also.
No, my lord.
Rented
It is
in your home.
bathroom of a tenanted premises wherein I, myself, the co-accused and other tenants are residing, my lord.
You are also a tenant there.
Yes, but I am also a tenant, my lord.
CD.
My lord, I am submitting one thing, my lord. Earlier it was rejected after appraisal of the city, my lord. Kindly see your lordship's
So
order.
then,
After that,
Any updation?
any updation and what is the new ground? Maybe.
kindly, my lord, one line, my lord.
Maybe they find a fencing between your home and the bathroom. You may be safe, na?
Maybe, my
There
lord.
might be an updated CD.
My lord, page 20, my lord. What is the ground of rejection, my lord? Nothing was found in the city, my lord. The learned paragraph 4, my lord. The learned APP has submitted that because of the non-cooperation of the present petitioner, the investigation could not be completed within stipulated period. It is a non-bailable offense, my lord. Without any protection, my lord, how could I, my lord, assist the investigation, my lord? Your lordship, give me 2 days time, my lord. I will assist the investigation, my lord, as per order case 20, my lord. 2 days, my lord.
My lord, that is the submission, but
Nothing has been recovered from me, my lord. 2 days, my lord, only 2 days, my lord.
কিমান বটল? Quantity?
পাঁচ কেজি হ'ল।
Yeah. Heard Mr. T.K. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard the learned APP. Mr. Bhuyan has submitted that the earlier order of this court already records that due to the non-cooperation of the petitioner, the investigation could not be completed in the stipulated period as reflected in the case diary, which was as submitted by the APP in the earlier round of litigation for anticipatory bail, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that allowed an opportunity, the petitioner will participate in the investigation. Full stop. The learned APP has objected to the grant of any interim protection. However, this court feels that the investigation would be benefited if the petitioner appears before the investigating officer and has his statement recorded. Accordingly, the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer on or before, he wanted 2 days,
My lord.
on or before the 23rd of April 2026. Full stop. List the matter again on the 30th of April.
No, but after, yes, 30th of April.
30th of April 2026, along with the updated case diary. In the meantime, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees 25,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the investigating officer. This bail would be reconsidered on receipt of the updated case diary.
Article 6.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Ready to anticipatory bail application.
Hmm?
FIR is at page number 12, your lordship.
12.
Page number 12. your lordship. May I read the FIR, your lordship? Sir, with due respect, we the undersigned on behalf of the organization of West Karbi Anglong would like to file first information report regarding mispropaganda by few miscreants voicing go back Chinese Karbi, which is derogatory remarks for peace and tranquility in the West Karbi Anglong division. Yes, some incident happened on 22nd and 23rd of December, your lordship, last year, and thereafter there is an allegation that some slogans were raised by certain persons. These people who have registered the FIR, they are not the aggrieved persons, your lordship. Thereafter, again, another FIR was there which are clubbed together, and your lordship, in the same FIR, lordship has already granted an interim protection to appear before the police for one quiet case, your lordship. That order is at page number 33, your lordship. That's page number 34, your lordship. 34 and 35. your lordship.
My lord, in my submission, my lord, because it is SC/ST Act, my lord. Here, prima facie, my lord, in a public place, they have made a derogatory remark, my lord.
Regarding whom?
My lord, this informant, my lord.
The informants are from different community, your lordship.
Where is that?
Public.
Show us that information. That
My lord,
FIR?
page 15.
Page?
15, my lord.
He made us read page 12. Some other
Page 12
FIR.
and 15.
My lord, this is different, my lord.
Same cause of action, two different
Two
complaints.
different FIR.
different
You are paying for bail on which matter?
Both were clubbed together, your lordship, registered under one name, one number. Heroni PS 50.
Which is the FIR against you?
Against us, page number 15, your lordship.
Page number. Why did you make me read page number 12?
12 and 15, same connected, they were connected together. My name is in 15, your lordship. Then Santosh Chauhan and Ajit Das were the informants, your lordship. Both do not belong from the SC/ST.
My lord, here one thing.
Tell me
My lord,
one
here-
thing. Where is that this thing?
Here is one thing, my lord. The specific these statements were made against one particular community, but informants are from not that particular.
We'll allow them to appear.
My-
Let them appear.
Had
let
it
them-
been the informant were from that particular community, that is yes.
Then it would have been different. And if there was some something to do with the community, some insult to the community.
Yes.
It is go back.
Go back. my lord.
There is no other sentence.
No other sentence.
Is it not?
Yes.
No slur. Nothing. No mudslinging. Nothing. Go back.
My lord, informants are also
Go
from
back
different
there isn't
community.
the arrest, huh?
Informants are also from different community. My lord.
Heard Mr. Swenson and counsel appearing for the petitioner also heard the learned APP. This is a application under section 482 of the BNSS praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with at page 2, huh? That is the page Swenson. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that they had approached earlier.
Ready to appear, Your Lordship.
Had they approached this court earlier?
Earlier they have approached and not press was done.
Not pressed, huh?
Not press.
Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioners are eager to appear before the investigating authority but apprehend arrest. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has further submitted that even as per the FIR, the allegation is only of raising slogans during a protest rally and stuff. The petitioners are directed to appear before the investigating officer of the case on or before the 24th of April 2026 to participate in the investigation and have their statements recorded. All for the updated case study thereafter be produced before this court on the 5th of May.
Lordship, here,
29.
on 29, another case is fixed. My lord. Same day, my
on the 29th of April 2026, where the case diary has also been called for in AD 269 of 2026. Mr.
DPO.
This is, yes, sir.
May I please the Lord. Herein I am seeking Zimma of the cash amount which was seized from the house of the petitioner, Your Lord. And earlier a petition was moved before the trial court and that has been rejected. Case 26, Your Lordship. Case 26. In paragraph number 3, Your Lordship.
NDPS.
The amount in
Yes.
herein the money, Your Lordship, 2 lakhs rupees was recovered from my house. But in fact, Your Lordship, nothing was recovered except money. And he has been implicated on the basis of the statement of the other co-accused, Your Lordship. Only the money was recovered from the house of the present.
What stage is the trial?
I think it is. Appearance test.
What
Maybe
stage is the trial?
Appearance test, Your Lordship. But my instruction is that, Your Lordship, charge is not yet there, Your Lordship. And PCR is.
See, if this money is somehow connected in the trial, we will be loath. But if there is nothing against you, your name is?
Abu Bakr Siddiq, Your Lordship.
He is the main supplier, my lord.
And page 21 is the seizure list, Your Lordship.
At page 20,
My lord.
the third item that is seized, what is it?
Yes.
On that phone, police, my lord. Perhaps that was used to pack this money, my lord.
Give us the stage of the trial.
Stays, your lordship.
We'll admit this petition, have it fixed on 28th April. Tell us the stage.
The report is there,
I see,
but what I got instruction is that your lordship, SARS is not yet framed, your lord.
Or lordship may call for one report from the IO also, my lord. Further investigation will give, right?
Heard Mr. Swenson and a counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard the learned PPP. Call for a report from the IO regarding the requirement of retention of the seized cash amount.
And the report from the IO, I think, from the first order, your lordship, it is already called for your lordship.
Then we'll send reminder, my lord.
Then remind.
Then we will send
The
reminder.
learned counsel for the petitioner has pointed out that the report from the IO had been called for by the order dated 13/2/2026. The learned APP shall ensure the communication of this order to the learned investigating officer to submit the report by the on the next date fixed list again on 28th of April.
My lord.
28th of April. CD is awaited.
CD, my lord, we have received CD, my lord. Can it be passed over for the time being, my lord? My
You have
lord.
received it?
Yes, my lord, 40.
Time being? Let him go to the CD.
Or lordship may.
Not CD, it's a scan copy, my lord.
Can copy.
Scan copy.
Well, what has happened in this case? He is behind the bar since 1 year ago. But the problem is that trial is proceeding, but none of the witness has been examined till date. So instead of passing over, my lord, lordship may fix it after 4 weeks, so that some witnesses are examined.
My lord,
during
that can
this
be
time.
done.
And I can.
Heard Mr. Swenson and counsel paying for the petitioner, also heard the learned EPP. Stuff the trial court records, the scan copy of the trial court records have been received. But the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the although the charges have been framed, none of the witnesses have been till now examined. So accordingly, list this case again on. We are on 20th. We will have it on
In the month of June, maybe.
3rd of June, 2026. At the request of the learned counsel for the petitioner, so that the trial may progress to some extent in the meantime. Full stop.
In that case, an up-to-date report may be called for.
In the event any witnesses are examined prior to, when did we say it is list again? On 3rd of June.
3rd of June.
Any witnesses are examined prior to 29th of May 2026, the trial court shall send an updated scan copy of the progress to be made available to this court on the 3rd of June.
Why I have paid, Lord? The allegation of murder is there. That's why.
The learned counsel for the petitioner shall also be at liberty to produce the certified copies of the updated progress in the trial.
If some witnesses are there.
We have said if any witnesses are examined prior to 29th, trial court will send the updated scan copy. You are also at liberty to bring on certified copies if you want to.
Some of them.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
My lord. Well, item 14 may be passed over the time being. My learned colleague KK Parasar has gone through it, my lord. After some time,
After some time.
16.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship earlier rejected on 23rd days of arrest, Lordship. This is second application. Is now on 69 days and statutory period is 60 days, Lordship.
Why is he behind bars? After 69 days? After 60 days, why is he behind bars?
Now he's entitled for default bail, Lordship.
Huh? He was entitled to default bail 9 days ago.
Yes.
8-4, I was not here.
My lord, here also I would like to pray for some time. My lord, my colleague has gone through.
60 days, 69 days, only that much.
Only that
No
much.
other, nothing else. Either the charge sheet has been submitted or not submitted. Just tell us that.
It perhaps not submitted.
here,
My lord.
Lordship.
CD is
Then we'll
here.
finish it.
CD is here.
Then we'll finish it right now. The petitioner was arrested. Sorry. You take it down like this. Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel paying for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Kaushik learned counsel, learned APP, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner was arrested on 11/2/2026, and as of today he has spent more than 68 days in custody. What was the allegation? Stop. Since the statutory period for submission of the charge sheet is already over, the petitioner is entitled to default fail, full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner shall file an application before which court?
Lordship, CJM Kamrup M.
CJM Kamrup, praying for default bill, which shall be considered on such terms and conditions as may be necessary to be imposed. Be a disposed of.
Outlined.
APP to return the case diary if received.
My lord, in this case, CD was solved for, my lord.
ECR was.
I'm behind the bar 71 days, my lord.
Stay, scan copy, lord.
Scan copy.
I said it.
Oh, scan copy, yes.
What had happened?
My lord, in this case, my lord, actually, my lord, in fact, my lord, the case was, I think.
Yes, why did your brother
Page 28, the rejection order.
Page 28.
Yes. All four have been granted anticipatory bail, my lord. Only Michelle not given. That there is a material against you. It is also charge sheeted, my lord. Okay, no. To my information. So, my lord, I will attend regularly. I will face the trial. (109), the attempt of murder is there.
You are not a party in this.
Yes.
In this criminal case, you are not a party. Page 28, you were not there.
No.
Your name was not there.
Yes.
Yes, sir. What do you
No, that's why I was arrested. That's why. Others are peers bail.
What I have seen, Lordship, firstly, I want to sit on that. Lordship, charge sheet was submitted very recently, 25/2/2026, Lordship. Moreover, the case is fixed for production, Lordship. On last date is 10/3/2026, and next date is fixed on 16/3/2026.
Just tell me one thing.
Regarding materials, Lordship.
Page 29.
Lordship.
Abul Hassan, all these three persons, 1, 2, 3, and 4 persons. Materials against them.
Lordship.
They have to face the trial.
Lordship.
They are on anticipatory bail.
Lordship.
Why is this man behind bars?
Lordship, that may be.
When they are out,
Lordship,
fighting there for their defense from outside.
Lordship.
Why should one man be behind bars? Tell me that. Only that part.
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, what I have seen, Lordship, this person's name is there. Witnesses have stated this person's name.
The other 4 persons were also named and stated.
Lordship. But his, it is not specifically described what he has done to this
Not only him,
person.
the other 4 also. They all together did something.
That is there.
Now read the one paragraph before that. Following an altercation.
Lordship.
Simple fight.
Lordship. Otherwise, the injury is grievous, Lordship. Otherwise, injury is grievous.
They'll be punished. In due course, they will be definitely punished.
Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner also heard the learned APP full stop. The scan copy of the TCR has been produced. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that 4 of the co-accused had been allowed anticipatory bail after submission of the charge sheet, where they have been implicated. And it is only the petitioner who was arrested prior to his moving an anticipatory bail.
Yes.
And has been languishing, although others in similar circumstances have been allowed to enjoy the privilege of a pre-arrest bail. Full stop. The learned counsel, the learned APP has submitted that the injuries sustained by the victim are grievous, and therefore the
Witnesses also implicated. Witnesses also implicated.
And the witnesses have implicated the present petition, and therefore the prayer for bail may be rejected. Full stop. We have perused the scanned copy of the TCR, the charge sheet, which also contains the charge sheet, and we have also gone to the order dated 9/3/2026. This court is of the opinion that when 4 of the co-accused in similar circumstances have been granted the privilege of a pre-arrest bail on the submission of a charge sheet, the petitioner can also be allowed the privilege of a bail to face the trial under strict conditions, since he has been implicated. Full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of ₹25,000 with 2 sureties of the like amount, subject to the satisfaction of the learned trial court, subject to the condition. Full stop. The learned trial court shall be at liberty to impose such other conditions upon the accused to ensure his presence and participation in the trial as may be necessary. Stop. Bail application disposed of.
For the timing, maybe password.
CD not available.
CD is not available.
After 1 week.
After 1 week?
It had did.
It was 18 so yes, I heard Mr. Swenson learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Learned APP has submitted that the CD is awaited. Accordingly, leaves this matter again on 29th.
Lord.
29th of April.
Lordship.
Okay.
टाइम लगे तो 40 अपने को बोलेगा
Lordship, in items 42 to 44 and also items 40 and 41, Lordship, they arise out of the same case. Lordship, these matters may kindly be taken up on another date. Mr. D. Gogoi appears. He's out of station today, Lordship.
When?
23rd or 24th, if.
At the request of the learned counsel for the petitioners, this is an item number 40, 41.
42, 43, 44.
These 4 items, huh? This matters again on the 23rd of April, 2026. On the 5th.
5th.
Huh? No. Huh? How many items are there?
5
items. 5 items. On the 23rd of April, huh?
20. No. Please.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, sir.
Charge sheet submitted, Lordship.
My Lord, initially charge sheet was submitted. Thereafter, my Lord, the petitioner was granted my Lord interim bail, and my Lord, scan copy of the LCR was pulled.
I said okay.
No, scan copy
I said scan copy. I said scan copy is here.
In this case, my Lord, FIR at page 8, my Lord. He is, my Lord, not named accused, and one, my Lord, garage was burned. Garage, my Lord, and it was suspected, my Lord, electric short circuit. Earlier also, his another shop was burned, my Lord, for electric short circuit. Otherwise, my Lord, page 14, annexure 2, this petitioner is, my Lord, responsible and respectable person of the locality, and he is presently, my Lord, BTP secretary of the locality.
You are there in the charge sheet.
I have not come on.
The trial court records were here. You should have seen it. Yes.
My lord, here what has happened, my lord, one person was arrested regarding this offense, my lord, and he was the servant of this person, my lord, and he has burned that particular.
The servant has burnt it.
Burned as per his instruction, my lord.
Yeah.
As per the charge sheet, my lord. And here the my lord, one thing is that my learned friend is in interim, my lord. So he can approach the court below, my lord.
During interim, the charge sheet has been after the submission of the charge sheet. He has approached this court for.
No, my lord, earlier.
Earlier, my lord.
He approached earlier. Interim continued even after submission of the charge sheet, meaning that the charge sheet has been submitted when he was on the.
Yes.
When he was on interim, why don't we make it absolute, allow him to participate?
My lord. Otherwise,
he's already on interim.
Otherwise, his involvement is there, my lord.
Eh?
Otherwise, his involvement is there.
Punish him.
My lord.
But you want the jails to be full, not as
My lord.
The trial court records received have been submitted. Mr. A.M. Burmia, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the petitioner would abide by all the conditions imposed upon him to face the trial, since he has been put up as one of the accused. Mr. Learned APP has objected to the continuance of the interim bail. I'm going through the reports. It is seen that the charge sheet has been submitted even during the period when the petitioner was on interim bail and he had participated in the investigation as per the orders of this court. Accordingly, the interim bail granted to the petitioner on 18/8/2025 is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the learned trial court on
When notice would be.
on the as in when summons are received by him to participate in the trial proceedings. Full stop. On his appearance, he shall as and when summons are received by him. Anticipatory bail application disposed of. Till he receives the summon, Mr. Kaushik.
My lord.
The AB is till he receives the summon.
Right.
Thereafter, let him do it. Yes.
Item 20.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, for 483 bail petition, lordship, after filing of the this bail petition, lordship, search sheet was laid down, lordship. Then, lordship, search sheet, HCR was called for, lordship, and it may be received, lordship.
My lord, TCR received, my lord. Here, there are some dispute between them, my lord. And the victims were assaulted by the petitioners, my lord. They are related, my lord, brothers, my lord, family. One person got grievous injury as per the medical report. One sustained simple injury, my lord.
Charge sheet has been submitted.
Charge sheet submitted.
And he is one.
AB, my lord. One person got grievous injury, my lord.
What is this photograph?
My lord,
of your?
Yes, lordship, sir, lordship.
This is the accused.
Yes, lordship.
Are these the accused or these are the
victims, my lord? The lordship is looking.
Cross case, lordship.
Page 23.
Lordship, 23.
Which of them is the accused?
Lordship,
there are 4 persons.
Petition number 1 and 3. This is a photograph of petition number 1 and 3. They injured us, lordship. They assaulted us. Lordship, this is a classic cross FIR, lordship. Case arising out of a lordship, land related clash, lordship, between family members, lordship.
We'll grant him the interim till he receives the summons.
Lordship.
My lord.
Charge sheet has been submitted. What
Submitted.
is the arresting him now?
My lord.
Apart from that, lordship, this is a session tribal case, lordship. And if we appear before the learned judicial magistrate, the magistrate has the power only to commit the case, lordship. And if we appear, then definitely we will booked in the jail, lordship. Lordship, we will face the trial, lordship.
But otherwise, my lord, they are related.
Yes.
Brothers. Regarding these photographs, my lord, I have no knowledge because there, regarding the cross case, there is
Then
no.
we will say that we are granting the bail till he receives summons from the learned trial court.
My lord.
Yes.
Magistrate is only the committal court.
Yes.
Summons have to come from the trial court.
Yes, my lord.
Till that time, we are granting him this. Heard Mr. Swenson on a counsel appearing for her?
I am in, lordship.
Mr. Swenson on a counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also have Mr. Kaushik, learned APP appearing in the matter. The scan copy of the TCR has been received and it appears that the charge sheet has been submitted in the meantime. Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the committal court, there is an apprehension that the committal court may take the petitioners into custody during the period in which the matter is remitted to the, is forwarded to the learned trial court by the learned committal court. Full stop. Accordingly, he prays that the petitioners will become, may be protected till the time they receive summons from the learned trial court. He pays the trial. Full stop. Accordingly, this court is of the opinion with the petitioners that since the charge sheet has been submitted, the petitioners shall appear before the learned trial court as and when summons are received by them. Till such time, in the event of the arrest of the petitioners, they shall be released on bail on condition of bond of rupees 25,000 each, with different sureties. How many are there? 5.
Five.
Different sureties for each of the petitioners before the learned arresting authority. Anticipatory bail petition is disposed of. By the arresting of authority, comma, who shall be at liberty to impose such conditions upon the petitioners to ensure their appearance before the learned trial for on committal. Yes.
In this matter, my lord, I was granted interim protection. Accordingly, I have appeared before the IO.
What was the allegation, sir?
Allegation, my lord, the non-bailable section only, my lord, that is section 69, my lord. That is, my lord, having sexual intercourse with deceitful means, my lord. So basically, the allegation is that, my lord, I have falsely promised to marry her. That is the allegation, my lord. Page number 9 is the affair, my lord. Married to.
You are a police person,
my lord. And in the official quarter, I have not kept her hiding anywhere, my lord. So
then why don't you marry her?
My lord,
matter finished.
Actually, my lord, what happened? I have already married her as per our custom, my lord. There is no formal marriage upon, my lord. Only we have to inform the families. Accordingly, we did, and we have lived together, my lord. And FIR itself says that for 3 months and 7 months. Thereafter, my lord, some mental differences arose. My lord, what happened? She wanted to have a reception of our marriage. But due to my frequent transfer, my lord, I was unable to perform it, my lord. Kindly come to page number 18.
You are on interim.
My lord, I have.
We'll grant you the interim for another 3 months. Arrange for a reception. Finish the marriage.
My lord, I have.
We'll ask them not to transfer you.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. APP, ask them not to
My
transfer
lord,
him.
here another thing is that, my lord, we have received instruction that, my lord, after getting interim, my lord, he has yet not appeared before the IO, my lord. He is violating the condition, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
No, my lord, today we have received the instruction, my lord.
Why?
I have appeared, my lord.
And there is nothing that sort in the CD, my lord. There is nothing. Regarding his appearance, my lord, there is nothing in the CD. And my lord, instruction also we have received, my lord. He has not yet cooperated, my lord.
So, my lord, kindly.
Have your instructions over phone. We'll take it
I
up for 10 minutes.
I have been instructed that he has appeared, my lord.
Before which police officer? The name?
Police
Ask him the name.
Yes,
before whom he has appeared.
My lord.
What date, what time?
Or
we'll record it.
My
He has to appear in the police station.
Yes, my lord.
We'll ask them to verify from the CCTV.
My lord.
If that man is not there in the police station, you are in
Yes,
jail.
yes, my lord. So, my lord, kindly a date may be given, my lord.
Today.
Today, my lord.
Half an hour.
Okay.
We give you a liberty, you should utilize it, not misutilize
Yes,
it. Utilize it properly.
Bye.
Tell us that he has appeared.
Bye.
25.
Yes, 25.
Please, your lordship. Lordship may kindly pass over the matter for time being. Senior is on legs in another court, lordship.
It is item 20?
25.
25. Receive, CD received, no?
CD received.
After some time, Mr. Dekabi. Yes, madam.
482 petition, your lordships.
482
482 petition, your lordship. The earlier again, CD was called for your lordship.
CD not available, Lordship.
Miss, I heard Miss.
A Begum. A
Your
Begum.
name?
A
A
Begum.
Begum. For the petitioner, also heard the learned APP, who has submitted that the CD is awaited. Petitioner is on interim protection. Place this matter again on the 6th of May, 2026, allowing the learned APP to produce the updated CD. Interim order passed earlier continues.
At this lordship, my lord,
CD not available.
27 and item number 27 and 28 may be taken together.
CD not available, Lordship.
But he does not have any interim.
Lordship.
What is the allegation? There you go. Can you tell us the allegation, sir?
Do you know about the allegation? FIR?
What is the allegation against you?
No, your lordship.
Where is the FIR? Do you have a copy of the? What kind of an ED is this? Hey, 28 is the option.
But there is only, sir, Lordship, municipality corporation, one certificate is there and another is GST. FIR is not there.
Acha, tell us one thing. Kindly find out, forget the CD, there will be no CD. In this case, there was they had called for the report.
Lordship.
The petition says
Lordship.
that supply of school uniforms and foodstuff to jail authorities and some vehicles were taken on rent by one person.
Lordship.
And this man, he used to supply these uniforms and everything. He is afraid that Rupjuti is defrauding the other fellows
Lordship.
and he may be implicated.
Lordship.
Have a report whether
Any
there is
FIR?
any police case at all.
Police case, Lordship.
He apprehends that someone will lodge a case against Rupjuti.
Lordship, you will be implicated.
And because he is using the vehicles, he will be implicated. Therefore, a report was called for.
Lordship.
You have to take personal interest in the matter,
Lordship,
or
I
you
will.
say that, or we have to dismiss this petition saying that one, as and when there is a police case, he can come back.
Lordship, I will take instruction from today only.
If there is no police case, that's then we can close it, saying that there is no police case and no apprehension of arrest.
Day after tomorrow, if possible.
We'll have it day after tomorrow. Huh?
Okay.
Let's just matters again day after tomorrow. By which time the learned APP shall ensure that the report called for regarding the registration of any case as alleged in the bail petitions are pending in with the Hajo PS. Day after tomorrow, মানে কোন তারিখে দিব? 22nd of 22nd of April. Huh?
Lordship.
If it may please your lordship, Counsel D. Bora could not be
He's
here.
Is available. Huh? He's here. Yes.
Counsel D. Bora could not be here due to the flash floods situation. Kindly please pass over the matter for the day.
You are assisting him in this case?
No, my lord, I'm not. I was informed a little while back stating that
Just a minute. Special Public Prosecutor, CM Vigilance. Now, there was something, there was some respondent number 2.
Lordship.
There's a respondent number 2. I don't know who is.
Yes, Lordship. He was the then investigating officer, Lordship.
Now whether any whether notice is complete upon him service.
Lordship, we can represent them, Lordship. We can represent, Lordship.
Okay. That is one part. Then the second is the trial court records are not here. What was the matter?
Lordship, he was convicted for imprisonment of 3 months for commission of offense under section 120B, Lordship, for misappropriation of some fund allocated for renovation of the circuit house at Nalbari, Lordship. He was the contractor.
He was the contractor. He has not undergone that period.
Lordship.
He has undergone that period,
Lordship,
no. What was the amount?
Lordship would find at page 12, Lordship, the facts. 10, Lordship.
Page
10. That was the judgment portion, Lordship would get, Lordship.
Page 10 of the judgment.
10, Lordship. Page 10 of the Apple memo of appeal, Lordship.
We are not disposing of it.
Lordship.
We are seeing how soon should we have it. Don't worry.
Total 44,70,725 was allotted for repairing of renovation of circuit house. And there was no, and Marbonite tiles, there was a provision estimate for placing the Marbonite tiles, but accused person misappropriated 1,29,000 by showing flooring of Marbonite tile, but in fact no Marbonite tile was used.
The office note dated 7/4/2026 indicates that the trial court records are yet awaited, full stop. Issue reminder to the trial court or a trial court for transmitting the records on or before the next meeting. Full stop. List the matter again on 8th of May, 2026. Yes.
Much obliged.
Yes, I is disposed of in this case. I is disposed.
I
disposed. It was successful. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, kindly peruse the order dated 23/10/2024. Matter is ought to be listed for hearing, Lordship. Let the matter be listed for hearing.
23/10/2024. 2024. The counsel for the petitioner has referred to the order dated 23/10/2024 and has submitted that the matter is required to be listed for hearing and has been wrongly listed in the orders column. Accordingly, list this matter again in the hearing column on a date to be fixed by the registry. What is your prayer here?
No.
There is no prayer. You are appearing in this?
No, Lordship,
Mr. Chaudhary?
like it's allotted to somebody else. I'm not holding the brief.
I have not gone through the whole of it, but it is said that why an appropriate writ or direction should not be issued to keep in abeyance the execution of sentence awarded by an order in criminal appeal number so and so till disposal of the mercy petition.
I think he's filed a mercy petition before His Excellency the President.
So what was the punishment that he has to go for a mercy petition?
Ordinarily, it has to be the death penalty.
It is convict so and so is undergo life imprisonment. Other accused rigorous imprisonment of 3 years and fine of rupees 1,000. Rigorous imprisonment of 1 year. Rigorous imprisonment of 3 months. Is it maintainable?
I'll just go through once.
Please.
I'll just go through once.
Order to Thakibo, listed for hearing to Thakibo again on the, when did we say? Listed again? When, what did I say? Registry question to list it again on the 7th of May, 20, on the 7th of May, 2026. Can you go through? I don't.
Yeah, I will go through.
Maintainable.
I'll go through.
Life imprisonment. He does not get life imprisonment. His co-accused has a life imprisonment. He has got 3 years of rigorous imprisonment.
Perhaps that is over by now. Perhaps that is over by now.
If there is no stay, I don't know. There might be been a stay, I don't know.
That 32, you are hearing that? Yes, yes. In fact, Lordship, this was being dealt with by the Standing Council CBI. And I have been apprised that she has got some difficulty. Maybe she appeared for the person. So I will be representing the CBI in this matter, henceforth, Lordship.
Do you have a copy of the?
They have supplied me with the copy.
All are represented. All are represented.
My lord.
Should we fix the matter for hearing also? What is this IA for?
My lord, IA is filed against the order 6/12/2024, in fact, where the stay was vacated by this honorable court on 6/12/2024, which this IA was filed that a stay cannot be vacated without following the due procedures of law. That is what we have filed. But anyway, this was this has become more or less, I should say, outdated, my lord, because it is already, it was vacated on 30, it was vacated on 30/5/2024, my lord. And then thereafter, the matter has proceeded for a long time. The trial is also continuing in the trial court also, my lord. So, in fact, we have to file this rejoinder to the counter affidavit that has been filed by the respondents, my lord.
In the main writ petition.
In the main writ petition. The main writ petition is writ petition number 6 of 2024, my lord. So, my lord, may kindly grant us 6 weeks time, or maybe like 8 weeks, my lord, in order to find the counter affidavit.
I do not have any difficulty since the
trial is proceeding.
Trial is also proceeding, my lord. Yes.
Your name is, sir?
My lord is my name is my lord NZ Lotha.
Mr. NZ Lotha, learned counsel appearing for the petitioners in WP criminal number 6 of 2024 has sought for an accommodation to file a rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent authorities.
My lord.
The prayer not being objected to by learned Deputy SGI, who also represents the CBI. List this matter again on. Tell us, when do you want it?
After
your choice. Give us the date.
6 weeks, my lord.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
6. On the 5th of June.
5th of June.
May is 4 weeks to.
My lord, may kindly keep the date open so that I can maybe like coordinate with the registry to get a matter listed, my lord, or maybe like make a mention before
after
this
6 weeks. After 6 weeks. Along with a copy of the rejoinder, along with the rejoinder proposed to be filed on behalf of the petitions.
Not so close.
33 question. 33.
33.
Lordship, delay condemnation petition, Lordship.
How many days delay, sir?
Lordship,
although it reflects that 177 days, but for all practical purposes, it is approximately 40 days. Because initially I had filed a matrimonial appeal here. Delay was condoned there also. But I found that for interlocutory order, this would not lie. So I withdraw my case, Lordship. So I filed again.
Wrong forum, wrong processor.
Lordship.
Okay. Who appears? Notice
No
served?
one is appearing, Lordship. Notice was served, Lordship.
Notice was served.
Lordship.
None appears. From where do we know? From where do we say
Lordship,
that?
22/10/25.
Huh?
Notice was issued, Lordship.
22/10, issue notice on the sole respondent. Notice has been issued upon the sole respondent by so and so. Thereafter, neither ID card, Mr. Bhagavati, neither ID card nor unserved notice has come back.
What to do, Lordship? 1 year, almost 1 year has passed. Lordship.
What is the
I don't think they will appear because apex court orders are there, Lordship, in such cases. They do not have a case, Lordship.
No,
I don't know. I do not say that.
I'm not on that. How do we have notice served upon her? Registered in neither AD has come back nor unserved notice.
Lordship.
You take a fresh step, possibly, and then we'll allow you to produce the postal track receipts
Lordship.
before the Loazima court,
Lordship.
whether it is served or not, or any case pending in the lower court.
Lordship.
There is some case pending in the lower court as of today.
Lower court case is pending, family court.
In the family court.
They know about this, Lordship. It has been informed there also.
Any order of the lower court which reflects
Lordship,
that you had informed them.
That I do not.
If you have an order saying that they have been put to notice about this court,
Lordship.
then we can perhaps on the next day direct
Lordship.
you to give them a copy in the
In there only. Lordship.
But for the present, what we will do is we'll ask you to take fresh steps again, giving you the liberty to produce the postal track receipts before the learned Loazima court.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Bhagavati, learned counsel appealing for the petitioner. This is a petition praying for condonation of 177 days in preferring the connected criminal revision petition. Mr. Bhagavati has submitted that the practical delay, the delay for all practical purposes would be around 44 days.
40 days.
40 days, since the petitioner had earlier preferred another litigation which was not found to be sustainable, and therefore this criminal revision had been initiated. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has further submitted that the respondent, the sole respondent in this IA, has adequate knowledge about the pendency of this case, since both the parties are appearing in the matter in the family court, and it was intimated during the proceedings in the family court about the pendency of this case. Full stop. This court notices that the report, the service report of the registry, reflects that neither AD card nor unserved notice in respect of the sole respondent had been received by the registry till 7/4/2026. Full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to take fresh steps upon the sole respondent through speed post within a period of 1 week from today. The petitioner would be at liberty to procure the postal track receipts and produce the same before the learned Loazima court on the next listing of this case before the learned Loazima court. Release this matter before the Loazima court again on 21 week later, 27, 2 weeks thereafter, on the 15th of May, allowing the petitioner to furnish the postal track receipts and for a report from the Loazima court regarding service of upon the sole respondent.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is an appeal against conviction under section 10 of POCSO and section 448. But lordship, notice on respondent 2 is not complete. I think the office report is still awaited. Service report is awaited.
Yes, sir.
I will take instruction, my lord.
This man was, this petition is filed in 2025.
Sentences of only 5 years.
Steps for notice taken in.
One.
Notice
13/3/26.
notice issued on
Taken recently, my lord.
27 to 2026.
Yes.
When?
My lord, next week.
Next week. At the request of the learned APP to have instructions on the report of service of notice upon the respondent number 2, list this matter again on, take a date.
My lord, 27th?
27th
27th.
of April 2026.
Let's.
46.
Your lordship.
Yes.
My colleague is on legs. So maybe pass over the matter for time.
What is the prayer in this IA?
Suspension of sentence.
Where is the order? You will appear for the
Respondent number 2, amicus.
amicus. And you are also here.
My lord.
Instead of suspension of sentence, why don't we go for
Yes,
a
lordship, my
Yes, my lord.
disposal?
Yes, yes.
Disposal.
Have your instruction from your colleague. We'll fix it in, I don't know, first week of May for disposal. It's an appeal, criminal appeal against an order of the trial court. PP is here. Respondent number 2 is here. If you want, we can argue the matter. TCR to ahile niki?
Yes, lordship, TCR has come.
TCR is available. You can go for a disposal.
Yes, lordship.
Why interim?
Next week, your lordship.
Have your instructions. After some time.
Okay.
Huh? Ask your colleague.
Yes.
Ask your colleague if we can fix this matter for hearing on 5th of May. Final disposal. Since trial court records are received. Okay? Tell us. All of them are video. Or should we just fix it for 5th of May? No
Can be
problem,
fixed,
yes?
my lord. Ultimately, that will be better, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the appellant. Trial court records have been received. Dr. P. Agarwal represents the respondent number 2. Mr. Kaushik appears for the state of Assam. Lists this matter again on the 5th of May, on which day an attempt would be made to dispose of the criminal appeal itself.
I may be closed in that case.
Not necessary. Not necessary. Not necessary. Not at this stage. If you reject it, it gives a different impression. If it doesn't come.
Not rejection, just a normal closure on the ground that the final appeal is being heard.
We'll take it up on the 5th. Try and dispose of the appeal, or on that day we'll try to take up the suspension. If we close it today and that day it does not reach, man is left hanging.
47.
Yes, 47.
May I please? Lordship, we have taken steps upon the respondent number 2 twice, but return answered.
Answered. Why?
Lordship, so far our information, Lordship, the person respondent number 2 already retired from service.
Who is respondent number 2?
Respondent number 2 is a CID official at that relevant point of time. So, Lordship,
who appears?
I didn't give him. I think 37.
Deputy Superintendent of CID.
Yes, Lordship.
CID.
Anybody,
who appears for the CID?
No, CID Assam Police.
APS Deputy Superintendent. APS is you.
Yes.
Can you have your information whether respondent number 2 has retired from service number 1? Number 2, it appears to be what? What was this case regarding?
Quashing of FIR.
Quashing of, what was the FIR regarding, sir? Some personal matter, some government record, what?
Quashing of FIR, Lordship. So far,
what is the allegation against you?
My check was used for withdrawing the government fund for misappropriation of fund.
Your check? I did not understand.
Has been used by some unknown persons for misappropriation of fund.
Why should your check be allowed to release government money?
Sir,
Yes, if it is,
Lordship.
it's a matter of record.
Lordship.
Find out if you can represent both 1 and 2.
Lordship.
2, personally, he says is retired.
Lordship.
Then 1 will have to contest.
Lordship.
When can we have it?
Lordship.
Please.
On 24th, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also had the learned APP, list the matter again on 24th
Lordship. I will take
of
instruction.
April,
Lordship, I will take
allowing the learned APP to have
Hmm.
instructions as to whether the respondent number 2 has superannuated from service and whether the learned APP would represent the state and the respondent number, interest of respondent number 2 in this matter for further adjudication.
Article 14.
My lord, this is an second repetition. I'm behind bar for 6 months, 15 days, 187 days. And so far my knowledge concerned 4 out of 7 witness has been examined.
Where is the earlier rejection order, sir?
Earlier,
This is a second bill petition.
yes.
Where is the earlier rejection order?
Lord order is
আমাৰ হাইকোৰ্টে ৰিজেক্ট কৰিছিলে নি?
Where is the earlier rejection order, sir?
মানে page 48 is
Page 48.
yes, my lord.
Why did we reject it? Page 48 is something else.
My page
55.
Huh?
50.
Page
High Court-
55, yes.
Lower court order is 58.
এইটো কি হয় order? Here paginations are different, my lord.
Huh?
My copy paginations are different, my lord.
Off the record, there are tracks, there are histories when the paginations are different. Things would be different. The earlier, kindly have the earlier order.
My lord.
Page 55.
Different. Yes.
Perhaps you would understand.
Here this is
No, the order of this court.
this court, my lord. That is in my
21-2026.
yes, my lord. That is 48 in my
You start with the first line.
my lord.
You'll understand why we say that.
Yes, yes,
There are differences.
yes, yes.
Yes, where is our earlier rejection? This one? 21-2026.
Page in lower court. Page
We,
number 58.
this court had rejected it earlier,
Yes,
is
yes.
it? When?
Yes.
On 21.
20-01.
We had allowed you to go to the lower court
Lower.
or the trial court.
Yes.
Now what happened in the trial court?
In page number 58.
58. Yes, sir. What do you say?
My lord, here actually this matter was done.
Have you seen the deposition of PW number 1? Do you have the deposition of PW number 1 with you?
Yes, my lord. Actually, my lord, this matter was gone through by my learned colleague KK Parasar, my lord. I am trying to assist your lordship, my lord.
Whatever. He's not here. He's in some other court.
Yes, my lord. Yes, sir.
Our matter আছে নাই? You have the second of PW number 1, have the
Yes.
second paragraph.
My lord.
That is the first witness.
Hmm.
Is it recovery in his presence? Perhaps not.
So it was sitting in the art and some motors. My lord, this
Recovery is not in his presence. He was in another room.
Yes.
He goes in, he finds the person sitting on the ground with the bottles all around him.
Yes.
So the recovery is not in his presence. After recovery, he is present.
Yes.
Yes?
My lord, here.
Now,
that
number 2. PW number 2.
My lord.
Again, second paragraph. Nothing was recovered in my presence. Yes, these are the independent witnesses.
Independent.
Then, how many more had gone?
My lord, here 4 witnesses already gone, my lord. Out of 7, my lord.
Out of 2, out of them, 2 are saying
My lord,
nothing thing.
yes, my lord. These are Caesar witnesses, my lord. But these are Caesar witnesses, my lord. But there are, my lord.
Once the Caesar says nothing seized,
my lord.
whatever be the quantity,
my lord.
does he require to continue to be behind the bars during the trial?
My lord, I'll pray to fix it from another date. I'll try to.
There are
use your lordship,
2 more matters. If
my
it
lord.
is, if it comes up, it comes up. Otherwise, we'll have it listed tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Huh?
My lord.
Either you have your discussion with him or he appears.
My lord.
Tomorrow. Or we'll take it up tomorrow.
My lord, tomorrow. It
At
will
the
be
request
better.
of the learned APP, we'll list this matter again tomorrow. As of now, we do not see anything to keep him behind bars.
My lord. Going by this.
Yes.
My lord, I have been instructed, my lord.
Ah.
On 13/3, he has appeared before the OC, my lord. At from 2 p.m. to till 6:30 p.m. he was in the police station, my lord. And earlier the IO was one Hirot Sonwal. He was transferred, my lord. After one Anupam Burman, he was endorsed with the case, my lord. And he was also not present in the police station on that day.
On 13/3.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
He was in Silchar, my lord. Accordingly, I have provided a soft copy to the OC Profullo Pego, my lord. On that day, in
Soft copy of what?
the order. Passed by
Order.
Commissioner. Yes, my lord.
Okay.
To the OC.
Huh.
And screenshot has also been provided to me, my lord, to that effect. And thereafter, my lord, I have communicated with Anupam Burman, my lord. He has said, I will call you, and thereafter you come to the police station. Thereafter, my lord, on 15, I have to go for joining, my lord.
15th of
March, my lord.
March.
I have
Okay.
joined at Salmara.
Huh.
But till now, my lord,
You have joined at Salmar.
my lord.
Where is Salmar?
Salmara, South Salmara, my lord. Page
South
number
Salmara.
12.
Okay. And you are
Yes.
supposed to appear before Karbi Anglong.
Yes, my lord.
All right. Have your instructions again
My
from the same officer.
My lord.
Take this date, a date where he can go and appear by taking a station leave. Now he's in some other place.
My lord.
He has to take station leave.
My lord.
He will go and appear before your officer on a particular date.
My lord.
The description he has given, we'll believe him because screenshots and everything, we tend to believe.
My lord.
We'll give him another option to appear on a particular date.
My lord.
Have his statement, then we will see whether to continue the bail or not.
My lord.
When will you take the instruction?
My lord. Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, my lord, I have a problem, my lord. On
Day
day
after
after
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow? We are not writing down any long order. Just have your instruction on a Saturday or Sunday when the petitioner can go and appear. Give us a particular date.
My lord.
Which will be convenient to him. Now the countings and everything are coming
Yes,
up.
yes,
So
yes.
keeping everything in mind, let him have a particular date.
My lord.
This man goes and appears.
My lord.
You are appearing for the
informant.
informant.
Yes.
Reception only.
In fact, now the informant doesn't want to marry with the petitioner because of all these disputes.
Does he want to continue with all this?
Only in respect of the case, not with the relationship.
No, she wants to continue with the case.
Yes.
Will it have any end?
That I will leave it to the.
Have you seen that chase when a cheetah chases a gazelle? Both are tired. End of the day,
Yes.
both are tired. If you can catch it, good.
Yes.
If no catching, then both are tired.
Yes. Absolutely.
Whether these kind of criminal cases need to be continued or not.
Yes.
Whether sooner the better. Everything snaps. Life
In fact,
goes on.
It is because of the petitioner's family they could not arrange their marriage.
So
That's
now,
why.
now whatever is being pursued,
Not sure.
he's at the one end and you are at the other.
Yes.
Is it not? So sooner it snaps, better it is.
I understand.
We are not here to advise or anything, but we'd like to see lesser cases so that now this is what do you call it? Sathapur. Lesser cases we have, better attention we can give.
Yes.
Jokes apart, this is again day after tomorrow.
CDV repeat.
Allowing the learned APP to have his instructions regarding the appearance of the petitioner on a particular date. The CD receipt will be retained till day after tomorrow.
May I humbly submit?
Mr. Bora appears for
For
the
informant.
respondent, for the informant. Yes.
The present investigating officer of the case, of this case, he resides, he's the circle inspector of Bojilangsu. So he resides in Bojilangsu. The petitioner, as per his instruction, he appeared before Kharani police station. So the investigating officer does not stay at Kharani police station.
Why is he somewhere else?
No, because the circle inspector office is at Bojilangsu. The circle is Bojilangsu circle.
The DSP was endorsed with it.
The DSP was already transferred.
No, but you will have your instructions from the IO.
IO, my lord.
Have that instruction also. Where does he go and need to go and appear?
Yes, IO is the circle inspector.
My
From the investigating officer.
Because on 31, the informant, she went to the police station in Bojilangsu, and a pen drive containing some video footages was seized from her possession by the investigating officer. By that time, he did not appear before the investigating officer. That is my instruction.
No, what he says is,
he says
by
that
the
on
time
13th
on 13th he went to appear,
not true.
He met the OC
Yes.
of Kharani.
Yes.
OC did not tell him to go to Bojilangsu.
Yes.
He stopped at Kharani. He kept waiting for 6 hours.
Yes.
Then he gave that message on his WhatsApp or something, or some copy he gave.
Yes.
Then he went home. Someone must tell him, now ask your petitioner also.
Yes, madam.
He has to take a leave and come and appear.
Madam. And in fact, my lord, I was served with disciplinary proceeding notice also, my lord. I appeared, then also I was not arrested by.
Disciplinary proceeding, how can disciplinary authority arrest you?
No, my lord.
Dangerous proposition.
No, my lord, superintendent of police is having that disciplinary proceeding.
Then he is acting as a normal disciplinary authority, not as a superintendent to arrest. You were saying
arrest, my lord.
He was transferred on 1st of March and he joined on 15 as per his statement. On 12th of March, this honorable court granted him interim protection. From 1 to 12, police did not arrest him. I don't
My
understand
lord,
why.
to be honest, my lord, I was not in a position to joining, my lord, because of this case, my lord.
You have to appreciate human fear.
Yes, yes.
It is only this fear which keeps the law supreme at many times. Once a person has been hit, he knows how hard it can be. But when he fears the hit, the threat is more dangerous than the. I was say.
25.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a pre-arrest bail application pertaining to Sadgaon PS 37 of 2026 under section 127(2), 3082, 117(2), and 35 of BNS. Lordship, later on, 2 other sections were added, 3085 and 3102 of BNS. Lordship, the FI is in page 9, Lordship. Lordship, the brief of the case is that one Mahirul Ali lodged an FIR on 26/2/2026 at around 8:30, alleging that 5 persons robbed him, Lordship. Lordship, I was nowhere named in the FIR. Another person, namely Sahil Ali, he was named and he was thereby arrested, Lordship. But since he is a colleague of mine, a friend of mine, the police have been continuously pestering my family to hand me over to them.
You are giving different stories now. The accused name is Sahil Ali.
Lordship.
Your name is Sahil Ali.
Lordship.
When you took the anticipatory bail,
Lordship.
interim.
Lordship.
Statement was made that he is also Sahil Ali, I am also Sahil Ali, he is arrested.
Lordship.
Please let me go and appear.
Lordship.
Today you are saying that an acquaintance has been appeared. So you know Sahil Ali.
Lordship, he is a neighbor. Lordship.
Give us the correct story.
Lordship, that's a relatively small area, hence everyone knows each other.
So everyone is Sahil Ali.
No, Lordship. At least he knows a person named Sahil Ali, Lordship. We are already on interim protection, Lordship.
That is the difficulty. You are giving different story now. So that interim was for that story. This story will have an interim or not. Yes, what does your CD say?
Yes, my lord, after interim they appear, my lord, and from their statement itself, it shows, my lord, that has been done in a pre-planned manner, my lord. And they are, my lord, doing business in drugs, my lord. They are dealing in drugs, my lord. They had a plan to.
The thing is, there are two Sahil Ali.
Yes, both Sahil statements are here, my lord. One Sahil Ali, father's name is Mamat Ali. One Sahil Ali's father name is Mamat Ali. That is the present petitioner. And another Sahil Ali's father's name is, my lord, Nosad Ali. So all are residents of same locality. They, in a pre-planned manner, my lord, they robbed this person, my lord. And
this Sahil Ali, can we have his statement for some?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have his statement?
Yes, ma'am.
What does he say?
And that money and these ornaments are yet to be recovered. As per their statement, my lord, the ornaments were deposited in Muthoot Finance, my lord, that gold loan, and taken the money away.
Any case against the finance company for taking gold without papers? Whoever is giving some gold, they have to know the source from where the gold is coming. No, this is someone else.
It is Mamat Ali, my lord, son of Mamat Ali. Sahil.
No. You have given me Alauddin.
My lord, I'm sorry, last
One
person.
page before that.
Yes, ma'am.
This person's father's name is Muhammad.
Yes, man. He is the present
Where is
petitioner.
that?
He is the present petitioner, man.
Where is his statement?
My lord,
There is a difficulty. There are two signs. So, one Sahil says, মই ড্ৰাইভাৰৰ কাষৰ চিটত বহিছিলোঁ. The other Sahil says, মই ড্ৰাইভাৰৰ কাষৰ চিটত বহিছিলোঁ. Both are two different persons.
correct.
Both could not have sat in the driver's seat.
But Otherwise, yes, madam, both.
We are not on the merit or anything
Yes,
of the
yes,
case. We are just on the statement part of it.
Yes, madam. Otherwise, both
Two
are
persons with the same name
same name.
stating before the police.
Yes, madam.
I was on that seat. If both were in the car,
Both are in the
seat should be different.
Otherwise, my lord, those presence of both the sahils are established, my lord. But the-
While recording the last statement,
My lord.
because Sahil was sitting nearby, the statement has come to be recorded that I was there in that seat.
My lord, here another thing might have happened, my lord, because that vehicle was Swift Desire. That is 5-seater, my lord.
There is another problem. Another person says, Sahil পিছফালে বহিছিল.
But his presence was there, my lord.
Two Sahils are not sitting together. Were involved. At this stage, you are involved.
And the more particularly, those goods are yet to be recovered.
Also, I have already appeared before the investigating authority. I shall cooperate with the investigating authority whenever a call for lordship.
What about the others? Anybody arrested? Two, three fellows have been arrested.
My lord, yes, my lord. That I have to check.
Forwarding report of the other Sahil has been arrested.
Other Sahil has been arrested. 3 persons arrested. Perhaps in the first day, my lord, it was projected differently.
It was projected that there are 2 Sahils. I am nowhere there.
Yes, my lord.
And one has been arrested.
My lord.
So just namesake I am being pursued. But the statement of every other person says that there are 2 Sahils. What? It has to go. Your name?
Lordship M. Alam.
Mr. M. Alam, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard the Learned APP. Produce the case diary. It's been granted by some other court. Should we reject it?
That was interim. It can be.
On by the order dated 12/3/2026, the submission had been made that there are 2. There was another person with the same name who had already been arrested in connection with the aforesaid, in connection with a case number Sadgaon PS case number 37 of 2026 and the petitioner having the same name being wrongly searched by the police. Full stop. Accordingly, this court had allowed an interim protection to the petitioner herein. Since he was not named in the FIR, another accused person with the same name had already been arrested. Full stop. The petitioner has appeared before the IO. In accordance with the liberty granted, the Learned APP has produced the case diary. The perusal of the case diary shows that two persons by the same name were involved in the incident were involved in the incident, and all the other co-accused who were in custody have named the present applicant also as a perpetrator of the alleged offense. Accordingly, this court deems it fit to recall the privilege of pre-arrest bail granted to the petitioner. Accordingly, the pre-arrest bail is recalled. Anticipatory bail petition is dismissed. He is one of the parties.
Lordship.
We are recalling that bill.
Lordship.
Thank you.